In this video, we'll show you how to turn off the voiceover or the talkback feature on your iPhone. So if you have accidentally enabled this feature and your iPhone keeps describing everything that you touch, it's possible to disable it. So for this, you will first need to head to the settings app. Once you are here, you will need to locate this accessibility option. So simply tap on it. Now double tap on it to select it. So single tap selects the option, but a double tap actually opens it. So once you are in the accessibility menu, you will need to tap on this voiceover option to highlight it. Now double tap it to select it. You may need to do it a couple of times. Now tap on this power off icon and then double tap to turn it off. Once you have done this, the feature will be disabled. There's also another way to do this. So let's just enable this once again. You can use this voice command. So say hey Siri or press and hold the power button to trigger Siri. Now you can say turn off voiceover and it will immediately disable the feature. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.